Hi, my name is Harry and I'll be your host for Getting Started with TalkingDeck episode. This is the first episode of our TalkingDeck tutorial. I'm a professional presenter and educator at TalkingDeck. Hang in with me and you will learn how easy it is to use my fellow animated characters and myself in your presentation videos. In this course, you will learn how to use TalkingDeck features and bring your Google Slides presentations to life. Now that you're all eyes and ears, let's start with learning how to open and run TalkingDeck. First, you need to add TalkingDeck as add-on to your Google Slides interface. Click Add-ons and then Get Add-ons in the Google Slides menu. Once the Google Workspace Marketplace opens, search for TalkingDeck. Click on the TalkingDeck icon and then click Install button. You need to confirm the permissions TalkingDeck requires and voila! It will appear in the Add-ons menu of your Google Slides interface. From that point on, you can always access TalkingDeck by opening Add-ons in the menu. Click TalkingDeck, followed by Open TalkingDeck, and the sidebar with the interface will open on right side of the screen. This is where the actual magic happens. But, there is one important requirement before you begin. TalkingDeck converts speaker notes of each slide into the narration. So, you need to have speaker notes field opened. It should be visible at the bottom of your screen. If it is not, please open the View menu and click Show Speaker Notes. Wow, congratulations! You are ready to begin building videos now. Let's start with creating a new presentation, or by opening one of yours. Once you have the presentation on the screen, make sure to open the TalkingDeck interface. Also, make sure to have the Speaker Notes field visible at the bottom of the screen. Since the final goal is to convert your presentation to the fantastic narrated content, it is a good idea to set the dimensions of your slides equal to the final video dimensions. It is best to do this right at the beginning. Otherwise, you will end up moving things around at the end and waste valuable time. So, let's open Page Setup in the File menu and set dimensions to custom, 1280 by 720 pixels. If you have created a new presentation in the previous step, you are now ready to add some content to your first slide just as you normally would. Please do so. Keep in mind that TalkingDeck can render only static slides. Any animations, transitions and interactivity which you add to your slides will not end up in the video. Also, maximum duration of the narration in slide is 30 seconds. This is equivalent to approximately 600 characters of text in speaker notes. Don't worry though. This still gives us enough freedom to create great instructional and educational content, as you will see. Okay, now that we have at least one slide with the content, TalkingDeck interface open and speaker notes field at the bottom, it is time to add some life to our slide. Add few greeting words of your choice to speaker notes field, something like, "Hi and welcome, my name is John Doe and I will be your host." Also, let's choose the character and voice for narration. Click Change Character button and select the character you would like to use. Then, open Voice drop-down and select the desired voice. Try to match the language of the voice with the language in speaker notes, or you can get some unusual and weird results. All set? Click Test Current Slide button. After a few seconds you should be able to see your first slide come to life. The selected character will pronounce the text from your speaker notes. Wow, this is simply great, isn't it? Change the speaker note and click the Test Current Slide button once again. As you can see, the changes are immediately reflected. You can try adding some more slides and text to their respective speaker notes. Play around a bit with the punctuation to check how it affects the narration. Soon enough we will introduce a bit more control over the way the words are pronounced, and the position and the size of the characters. For now, take few moments to enjoy what you have accomplished so far. Okay. We are now ready to create our first narrated video. Click Export Video button and confirm the export command. Sit back and relax until the export finishes. Once done, the video download button will be displayed. Download the video and test it. If you wish to change it, simply make modifications to your speaker notes and rerun the export procedure. The changes will be applied immediately. Make your presentation decks talking and don't forget to have fun. See you in our next tutorial where we will learn more about character positions and TalkingDeck sprites. Bye bye for now.